Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar on the daily chart. What we see over here is a bearish trend. Market is hit back up to the previous resistance zone. So definitely for structure-based trader, 1.1674 or in fact 1.1739 is an important level for you to look at, because you will have to see if there's a break and close above over here, depending if you're looking for a selling or a buying opportunity. Down to the 4-hour chart, what we see over here is a coming up a retest of the previous resistance. Although this is not a very strong resistance level, students, you should know why. Alright, however, there's no harm to look at it and to see how it goes from here. And one of the way to see is to see if it managed to break and close above 1.1644. To the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Basically a zoom in version. I have to stress that not every time when you go from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, it will be a zoom in version. It really depends on the candlestick open, close, and formation and stuff like that. Okay, it may change the entire structure. So don't skip it or don't run it too fast and say that, hey, it's a zoom in version. All right, so what you can do is scan this QR code over here. It will bring you to our community under Telegram. We have close to 300 traders right now, or aspiring traders right now, and once you get into it, on the top of the link, when you click it, it will have give you access to our student portal over here. This is where you can start learning trading for free. And of course, if you want to be more committed, you want to have me coaching you, drop me a note. We will see if you're a good fit before I accept you. Yeah, and if you scroll down further, you can see some of our trading ideas. As you can see, our second target is always 2:1. I would say most of the time is 2:1. Of course, here and there we have a 7.4:1. So what does it mean? So having a 2:1, that means that having a 40% accuracy rate, you can already be profitable. All right, how about 7.4:1? That means every dollar I risk, my potential returns is $7.47. So it significantly brings down the level of stress that we have when we engage a trade. And we can pretty much walk away with it and just let technology, our smartphone, to do the job, right? So back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. And just right before that, remember to follow me on Instagram over here with a single user ID of RainLim. And of course, if you are in Twitter, follow me in Twitter as well. Alright, so back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. The potential butterfly pattern that I've shared last week and maybe weeks ago still stands at 1.2571. You just have a bit more patient. From time to time, I do see people do analysis and say, hey, I'm going to buy here and going to exit here. It doesn't work that way. All right, a harmonic pattern is only a harmonic pattern when it touches the D point completion and did 3-bar reversal. That's one. Secondly, unless you have a tested and proven strategy for you to buy all the way to D, you shouldn't do that. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart. Shorting opportunity at 1.1625 and buying opportunity at 1.1470 level. Could be a opportunity for you to sell at the high and buy at the low, but just take note, for the selling part, you have to be a bit more caution, because there isn't a previous structure over here. Something to take note on that. Just screen down, so if you go down to the 1-hour chart, but with a shark pattern, it's a different story. I'm waiting for a completion at about 1.1650, and I only react once per bar close, meaning you say that once the candlestick close, and I have the technology to help me, so there's no need for me to stare at the screen. Alright, so Monday, basically there's no need for me to go over charts because I've did it over the weekend already. So I just only need to spend 5 days doing that, spending 15 minutes each to do this wonderful analysis. And just want to say that this week there is all my 12 pairs are lighted up. All 12 pairs have trading opportunity, and out of which 3, 4, 5, 6 of them has this blue, royal blue flag, meaning you say that there are some combinations, some combos I can do with it, which can potentially give me much lower risk with much higher returns. Something that's interesting. And if you manage to see this, drop me a note before the close of the week, right? Because you don't want to miss the trade, right? And out of those, I have 1, 2, 3 that has almost instant execution opportunity on Monday market open. All right, so that's how cool is that. That's pretty much how I teach, how I trade, and right now I run through the charts 3 times. The first time it's like what you see the first 2 times. Without analysis, I run through it, I read and see if there's any changes in the market. Then I start plotting the charts. Is what you are seeing earlier on. And the third round of the same chart is for me to grade it, be it no flag, red, royal blue, or light blue. It does help me as well. It does help me my students as well. When hit the post button, they know what I am looking at. Alright, so that's pretty much I have for you today. Looking forward to see you very, very soon in our community. Till then, remember always, play your trade and trade your plan. Take care.